Hi, I'm Dr. Bruce Eimer. I'm a licensed clinical psychologist and certified hypnotherapist here in South Florida. I'm here today to talk to you about several courses that I'll be offering this May at the annual Hypno Expo of the International Medical and Dental Hypnotherapy Association in Orlando, Florida. Let me first begin by showing you this pocket watch. This was my grandfather's pocket watch. My grandfather owned it for many, many years. It was given to him by his grandfather. My grandfather underwent back surgery many, many years ago. He was very afraid of going under anesthesia. In those days, general anesthesia wasn't as safe or as effective at controlling a patient's vital functions and keeping someone comfortable as it is today. He went into the operating room holding this pocket watch, and this pocket watch was in his hands for the entire surgery. And when he woke up feeling comfortable and safe in the recovery room after the surgery, he looked at this pocket watch and he thanked God for keeping him safe. And he expected to be well when he got out of the hospital, and he was. And within 1 week after his surgery, he was back on the job selling fruit in a fruit market in Brooklyn. Now, I became a psychologist because I was driven to help people to deal with their problems, especially people that had medical problems and weren't getting the support and the help that they needed from their doctors, who had no time to give them the support and help that they needed. So I became a psychologist. I trained in hypnosis. I use hypnosis routinely in my practice. This pocket watch is not part of my practice, generally speaking. Most people associate a swinging pocket watch with entering hypnosis, and I don't always use it, but sometimes I do. And this pocket watch holds special meaning to me because of the fact that it was my grandfather's. Let me tell you something. If you want to learn how to really help people using hypnosis, then you need to learn how to use hypnosis, A, to prepare patients for surgery, and B, to help patients control pain. Coming up this May, on May 16th, I'm teaching a one-day intensive course at Hypno Expo in Orlando, Florida, on helping patients prepare for surgery so that they emerge from surgery feeling good and have a rapid recovery and a return to functionality. On May 20th and 21st, I'm teaching a two-day course on using hypnosis for pain control. Both of these courses are intensive, provide lots of information, and will provide you with techniques that you can begin to employ in your practice for really making a difference. Please consider attending this excellent, stimulating, informative annual meeting of International Medical and Dental Hypnotherapy Association, Hypno Expo 2024. And please consider taking my course on hypnosis for surgery preparation on May 16th so that you can learn my step-by-step, time-tested and proven protocol, and my pain control hypnosis course on May 20th and 21st, so you can learn all of my techniques that I use to help people with chronic pain get relief and regain their lives. Thank you for listening. Hope to see you there.